How to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription before your next payment. Maybe you're using the free trial and don't want to be charged when it ends, or perhaps you simply no longer need Canva Pro. Whatever your reason, canceling your subscription is quick and straightforward. First, log into your Canva account. Next, click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, select Billing. Here, you'll see your current Canva Pro plan or free trial. Canva may show you how much time you have remaining on your current plan or free trial. Next, select Cancel Plan. If you're sure you want to cancel, click Continue Cancellation. You may then be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Simply select the option that best describes your reason and continue your cancellation. Follow the remaining prompts and confirm your cancellation. Once the process is complete, Canva should display a confirmation message indicating that your Canva Pro plan has been canceled. You should also see the date on which your Pro benefits will end. And that's it. Your Canva Pro subscription has been successfully canceled. You can continue enjoying your Pro features until the end of your current trial or subscription period. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.